So the defending UAAP champions will battle it out against another PBA team. And here we go. Brian Santos and Phillips jumping up with 28 points and 11 rebounds. Double team has to kick it out. Fadeaway shot. Yes! First field goal for JL De Los Santos.
Last night.
Oh, I think he was perfect on three-point line. As that shot goes, first shot for Alex. Kontra Michael Phillips. Cross-court feed. Brian Santos from the corner. His three-pointer is good. Brian Santos.
So one possession at a time, tsagain lang natin yung tsagain lang nila yung deficit na to.
And a hard foul from Justin Arana. And an exchange of sport. I'm pretty sure they have seen the game replay last night. Yung Justin Arana goes into the basket, but he has to stop. The 100 shot. Yes!
Justin Arana.
Had an efficient.
Minamadali nila yung possessions eh.
And a good hustle by Kevin Kiambao as he got the steal from Justin Arana. Makalalag. Nice setup. And there's the first field goal for Lian Ramiro. Arana. Kontra kang Raven Cortez. Quick spin inside using a series of fakes. And some contact underneath. A foul against
50%, no? He was playing
from the two players, Arana and Stockton. And they're still playing, I think, without their imp. So, good ball movement by LaSalle. They're looking for another open shot. Makalalag squeaks in, and Cortez gets the cleanup job for two.
LaSalle needs catch-up.
That's for sure, especially for Coach Topex Robinson. And Shawnee Winston, the former LaSallian.
Exactly.
Austria goes baseline, has to kick it back out. That's Golyena for three, and a foul.
I think the basket will count here.
Off the handoff, that's Eli Golyena, launches for three, knocks it down. King Caralipio from the right corner. And Kevin Kiambao on the run. Eli Golyena on the touchdown for two.
Mabilis.
Maliliksik kumbaga. Shawnee Winston down in the paint. His first field goal of the ball game from Phoenix on a high-scoring affair na umabot pa ng overtime. CJ Austria hits a three. The field. Rubico now on the free throw line. Nice setup to Raven Cortez. Goes on the reverse.
Like I said,
Cholo, it was a 10-0 start for Converge. Shawnee on the drive, counted and won. Shawnee Winston will try to complete his three-point play. Now Austria surveys the floor. Now against Pat Maddenberg, quick spin. That basket goes and won.
Topex.
Bonus shot. Converge playing all Filipino tonight. And the shot goes off the wing. That's a 20-foot shot.
From the crowd.
Amos down in the paint, and his first field goal for Mason Amos.
Good.
Straight away. And Magdenberg. And he'll draw a foul.
Racal has been missing. Racal. No?
So two shots coming up for Pat Magdenbansa.
Yeah. I like this guy. Patrick Magdenberg. Hands.
Oh.
For his frame.
And we're down to two on the shot clock though. Rubico has to fire and hits. And that's a three. Was on ng Genesis 88 Construction.
Light-hearted and sobrang saya kasama.
That's for sure. Off the inbounds, here comes BJ Andrade. The shot is no good. Down to 4 seconds. Phillips has to hurry. Ogana with 1 second at the buzzer. That won't work. But it has been a tight race.
That's correct, no? So, hindi magpapatalo tong LaSalle.
Oo.
Hanggang sa huli, no? So,
just like yung kagabi against Rain or Shine, Coach Cholo, di ba?
Good response.
Nice pick and roll.
Wow.
And Pat Magdenberg. So we have a little bit of a two-man game. Phillips down in the paint using a series of picks.
Beautiful.
Great body control for Michael Phillips.
Yes, stuck sa mga players and that fueled them to make this huge comeback.
As Amos hits a three-point shot, make that 5 points in the first half.
Team defense.
Now Stockton and a strip by Phillips.
Ganda ng
Phillips on the
foot
all the way. Oh! What an athletic play for Michael Phillips.
Check the rim here.
And here it is, hatid sa inyo ng The Royal Monday Hotel, and there's that athletic jam.
Very
And it's now a
aggressive,
1-point lead for LaSalle and a quick answer for Brian Santos. JL Del Santos inside to Arana, able to receive the pass. One-hander is good. So hindi rin magpapatalo dito si Just. Here comes Dungo. Amos stops on a dime, hits another one.
I think that's his second three.
9 points for Mason Amos and Santos.
Sobra lang, sayang.
On the other end, that's Stockton to the cup.
The change of pace
Oh, yeah.
from Alex Stockton.
On the other end, that's Makalalag on the blow-by. He blew by Justin Arana. For LaSalle, they're trying to protect their title
Correct.
for the upcoming season 87 in UAAP. Golyena hits another three for the De La Salle Green Archers, and a quick time. Kevin Kiambao against Mike Nieto. One-hander is good. First basket in the second quarter.
Mahirap na tira.
For Converge.
And solid screen for Arana. But
Intercepted though by Kevin
still,
Kiambao.
yes.
4-on-3 pass break. Kiambao sets up to Cortez, and the second chance is good.
The dip.
Over. Brian Santos was fouled on a three-point attempt, and Coach Topex Robinson is in disbelief. Productive night yesterday for Converge as they won against the Phoenix Field assists on an efficient 7 of 13 from the field. 4 to shoot though for JL De Los Santos. Are they aware of it? Brian Santos at the buzzer, and he goes. Stone. Brian Santos could not save the basketball. Loose ball. And that will go to De La Salle. And CJ Austria with a nice catch and finish. And looks like he's trying to taunt his
His style, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Arana, babangga sa ilalim. Another hook shot. 100 shot for Justin Arana for sure. He's trying to entertain the crowd dito po
Oh.
sa Davao City. Bodies on the floor as Brian
SKQ.
Santos AP on their winning campaign against the UP Fighting Maroons. Shot itong si Justin Arana. Since his Makalalag sets up Kiambao
They
for
did not
three.
hesitate that time, no?
That was a wide open, if I'm not
Was it guard?
mistaken. Oo. As Stockton
Wow.
draws the foul and one.
Excellent play.
Off.
Eye in the sky.
Oo. Executed into perfection.
Correct.
Bonus shot coming up for Alex Stockton. Intercepted by Phillips. LaSalle
is
goes on the
over.
run. Makalala gets away.
I was saying Phillips was all.
So he has been struggling in the first half. Mula sa three-point country. Kiambao. Quick shot. Austria cleans it up.
Right.
Tia Phillips now against Brian Santos. One-on-one. Goes to the cup. Draws the foul. And the crowd is anticipating for another athletic play mula kang Phillips. First shot is good.
Again, 2-1 press.
And
De La
Golyena
Salle.
with a steal. Goes to the basket and the layup. Another turnover for Converge. Phillips on the run. Phillips. Oh
my!
Kiambao!
Deep, no? Pinasok nga niya si Ambohot.
Silly foul if you're the white shirts. Golyena. Open three. Got it to go!
Oh!
Kiambao from the left corner. Three is missed. We're down to 1 second. Stockton with the heave. And that. And LaSalle, another fast break opportunity. Kiambao, no look to Phillips!
Grabe.
Nangangapi sa area pa. Fast break opportunity. Kiambao. Now taking his time. Marasigan. That's a three.
That's what I'm saying.
Caralipio has been silent. A hop step and the basket. Amos. Golyena on the blow by. What a play by Eli Golyena.
Bang class.
Misses the layup. Another fast break for LaSalle, and Ethan Alian goes for two.
Isolation plays.
Back out to Stockton.
Oh.
Blocked by Golyena. Gets it back with 2 to shoot. Caralipio at the buzzer. Got it. Arana trapped underneath. Santos will try his own three.
Yes.
Knocks it down.
Kailangan nila yun.
And that's an N1. A rare 4-point play. Phoenix able to make a run, but they fall short. That's a 3-on-3 fast break. Magdenburg almost lost control of it. Rakal for three.
Boom!
Knocks it down. Lasal. Austria kontra kang Rakal. Quick spin move to the cup for 2. And that will count and foul. CJ Austria has been the valuable player for LaSalle. Now guarded by Austria. Winston all the way to the cup. Able to see some. They will try to make his 2 free throws. Here's our replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Davao City Sports Development Division.
Masyadong
Lahat dikit ang
kaya
labanan.
Kaya nga eh. Do you think this game will be madikit na naman?
And that is the challenge if you're playing second game ngayong Biyernes. Shawnee to the cup. That will count and a foul. So Shawnee Winston trying to lead.
Patrick Magdenberg, of course, a great finish from Shawnee.
Makalalag trying to go on the getaway. Kiambao hop step to the cup.
Oh,
And he'll go to the line for his 2 shots.
okay.
Probably 2 of 8 overall dito sa ating ball game for Goliena. Second game for tonight, and a quick steal by Shawnee Winston, taken away from the former LaSalle player. And here comes BJ Andrade for 3. 7-point game. Run in the third. Austria on the drive, kicks it out. Abadam. That's a 3 coming off the timeout. Magdenberg against Luis Pablo. Has to kick it out. Andrade, another 3. Another one. Second straight. Down to 6 seconds. Abadam. Nice pass to Pablo. Counted and one.
Beautiful.
Luis Pablo.
That was the dish coming from EJ Abadam, right?
We're approaching a minute remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Luis Pablo to the cup. The shot clock. Balikang Ratal for 3. That's way off, but Magdenberg blocked by Pablo. Gets it back with 1 to shoot. Has to fire.
Boom!
Knocks it down. Right at the buzz. Makalala goes to work against Magdenberg. Down to 2 seconds. Launches. Got it at the buzzer. JC Makalalag
Cool
beats
as
the
ice.
buzzer at of Shawnee Winston and BJ Andrade. Pero still, Luis Pablo kontra ang Magdenberg. Pabalik ang Kiambao down the baseline. That's a tough shot, but draws the foul. So 2 shots coming up.
This guy would be healthy. Itong si KK.
He has the size. He's 6'7". Great shooting form as he hits the first free. Katulad yung nangyari kagabi against Phoenix, ano?
Correct. Oh!
That was swatted away by Michael Phillips.
Here we
Kiambao.
go.
Back to Phillips!
Baby!
Woo! What a play between the 2 front court. Another highlight reel for Michael Phillips.
That was a thunderous jam, no? That's a 2. Yeah, that's basically 2 points still.
Oh. Here comes Alex Stockton. Back to Justin Arana. Counted and 1.
Na.
2 points pa rin. But this is not this
Oh, may
time.
bonus. They
Fast
need to
break
get-
opportunity.
Kailangan bumalik sa depensa.
David
Itong
Dongo.
converge.
On the runner.
my
Got it!
gosh.
And 1.
Oh!
Phillips down to 4 seconds. Arana
Ganda!
turns, shoots, and scores. 7 points. Shawnee Winston.
There you go, sabi ko na eh.
Santos for 3. Knocks it down. 4-point game. 7 minutes remaining. Arana posting up against Phillips. Turns, shoots, scores. Another
Now for converge, I guess. In
Alright.
terms of scoring.
now in the hands of Michael Phillips. Poposting ngayon kontra ang Santos. Phillips hook shot. That's team. Santos, extra pass. Stockton from the corner. Got it to go. 1-point game. Oh, Magdenberg and Abadam jump it up. Shawnee turns, shoots, foul.
Opportunity.
For converting the Philippine Cup. Kalalag, bibigay kang Amos. Abadam for 3. Oh! Was fouled on a 3-point attempt. What's going to happen for Earl Abadam as hits the 2-1 record, looking to make their first win sa ating tournament this year. Maganda talaga. Lalo na pag meron tayong 8,000 nanonood out to CJ Austria with 7 to shoot. Goes baseline and a shot! That's good!
The CJ.
Amos almost a strip. Makalalag able to recover and gets the basket to go! In trouble. Balikang Arana.
5 seconds.
Nice spin!
Wow!
Gets the basket to go! Down to a 5-point game. Makalalag in trouble. Arana takes it away. Arana on a foot weight
Oh my.
and jams it home!
Pang umuwi. Gusto niya pa maglaro eh.
And there's that steal. Wala sa Davao City Sports Development Division. And the throwdown. Phillips for the answer. Mintis gets it back. Wala, but a foul. Two shots.
But on the other end, what can you say about Michael Phillips? He has been tremendous for De La Salle.
Surveys the floor. There's a pick by Arana. He stops, slip. Arana gets to the basket. Draws the foul and one. Azar and their import na si Scotty Hobson. Arana throws it up. Wala. Agwana bola. Phillips gets it back. Two more shots coming up for Michael.
Win.
And for De La Salle, that's what Michael Phillips are hoping. In traffic, Arana kontra kang Michael Phillips. Inside! Another foul! And that will be again. Lalo na dito sa crunch time. A whistle. Abadam steps inside. No! And a whistle.
Aray ko po.
And bodies on the floor. And looks like Abadam and Stockton down on the defense of La Salle. And here's that last replay by Abadam. There's that contact. Mulakang looks for the opening. No look. Magdenberg will try. 3-pointers good. Big shake a lead with a 3-point play.
Johnny wide open.
All the way. Blocked by Phillips.
Rejected.
And here comes La Salle. Mostly against Stockton.
Yes! Woo! What solid screen.
Oh! By Kiambao! But wait a minute, a foul called!
Access denied from KQ.
Oh my goodness! And the crowd has fired up! Solo.
Boom.
And that was an athletic foul line. And looks like the crowd is cheering against Shawnee. Hindi ko pa masagot ngayon na Coach Solo as Winston shot. No! Picks it out. Tungo hesitates. And Kiambao almost slipped. Abadam big shot! Dagger!
Backbreaker.
Dagger shot by La Salle. And here comes Kiambao for the layup. Yes!
Pumasok.
Fiber Xers. What a performance for the De La Salle Green Archers as they win this one by 8. And there's that replay. Hatid sa inyo ng Genesis 88 Construction. Win sa ating 39th Kadayawan Invitational Basketball.